help my friend fund his documentary. So I have a really great customer. His name is John Simchek, and his son Alex, who is in his early 20s, is going to Lebanon to do a documentary in the Lebanese financial crisis. Now, I know this is a car channel, but this is something that's near and dear to me because of my background and my heritage. And I was thinking, Alex reached out to me and he said he needs about $2,500 to $3,000 to cover the windfall for his documentary. So I said, why not? I'll share it. Maybe a few of my subscribers will donate a few dollars to Alex to help him out. So Alex is, we're going to put his Kickstarter link and his PayPal in the description so that if you guys want to send him something to help him out, you can. But Alex Simchek is going there to figure out what the truth is about the Lebanese financial crisis. Now, some of you may not realize that Lebanon is in financial freefall. The reason is because Lebanon, unlike the United States, or some people accused of being, corrupt or whatever, actually does have a corrupt government. And they are a real kleptocracy, and their government has been stealing money from the people there for ages. And certain groups of people have fared really badly, and certain groups have not been all that badly affected. So what we're trying to figure out is just how badly affected the majority of the country is. See, when these television crews go to Lebanon to film the financial crisis, they tend to go to West Beirut, and they tend to go to the Palestinian refugee camps and parts of maybe East Beirut where people are not so financially well off and are protesting and pissed off and angry. I think that it's more important to see the rest of the country and see exactly what's going on there, because the Lebanese are pretty self-sufficient, and there's also this question, like, how have the Lebanese managed to survive for so long with this massive financial crisis where the currency has been devalued to nothing and they have no food imports? Are they growing their own food? Have they stockpiled food? Are they figuring out other ways to get food into the country? I don't know. So Alex is going to answer a lot of these questions about food, healthcare, mental health, well-being, financial and economic wealth distribution, and how certain groups of Lebanese people have fared and what it's like for them and what their firsthand account is. And I personally am very interested to know what's going on. So if any of you want to help Alex and, help fund this documentary and everything, I think that he would really appreciate it. And I think that we need more honest journalism, as you know. I personally don't view any of the top 3 news networks. I don't watch CNN, CBS, Fox News. I don't watch any of them because I don't think they're honest. I think they're all just ridiculously biased. And so anytime I hear about somebody trying to, create honest information or whatever, I'm all for it. So anyway, all right. Thank you guys for being so generous with Alex, and, learn a little bit more about the Lebanese financial crisis so we don't let it happen to our own country.